This...
Hey, we have another yummy episode. Today we're doing chips.
This guy's taking over my job. I better watch out. Good job. Yes, he's right, folks. Today we're doing chili cheese Fritos. Whoa.
Well, how about we don't just explore, we also eat them.
Oh my gosh, she knows it better than I do. Yes, we don't just look at things under the microscope. We also eat them. Let's share this one, guys. Whoa. So we love chili cheese Fritos. We snack on these all the time. Probably too much, folks. These boys snack on chips way too much. But you have to live a little. So we love chili cheese fries. One of my personal favorites since I was a child. And now look at these boys. These little critters have also taken to it. So let's take a look at a little sample of a chili cheese Fritos. Let's see what we're looking at, what we're actually eating here, folks. 5X, here we go! Whoa, there's the chip. What do you think about that?
You know why it's crunchy?
Why is it crunchy?
Because I see a little brown dot.
You see a brown dot? Yeah, so this one has corn, spices, cheddar cheese. So I don't know exactly what we're looking at, but oh, I think those are some of the spices. And of course the cheese and the corn, so that's why it looks yellow-orange. Do you like these little chippies? He loves chips. This boy will eat anything. He's a machine, folks. Wow, you can see the texture. It's crunchy and little spices are sprinkled all throughout. Very fascinating. So let's continue, folks. This is 5X. Let's go to 10X. Let's see what we're eating here, people. There's 10X. Whoa, now what are we looking at here? That little spice is now magnified. It's much bigger. What's your favorite part of these chips?
We love that it's crunchy.
He loves that it's crunchy. I love that it's a little bit spicy, but not really at all. But it is crunchy, and I just love the taste. Yes? Hey, what are you doing down there, this little critter? You're eating your chippies? We call them chippies around here, folks. We don't know what we came up with that word, but that's what we're going with. Oh, no. So, yes. Hey, you know what? What about me? Where's my little chips? I want to eat this one. We'll eat these tomorrow and the day after that. Yeah, I like to drink my chips.
They're not juice, they're chippies.
I know, but I drink my chips. Let's continue with this little delicious adventure. Let's go to 20X. That may be the final frontier.
And we're back.
And we're back. So there's 20. Wow, look at this one. This one is really crunchy, and we can see that.
And we're back.
And we're back, and we can see that spice really enlarged. This one is really hot. Hey, you know what else is hot and spicy and crunchy?
Hot Cheetos.
Yeah, well that's the like and subscribe button.
How about you just go ahead and smash it?
Please smash those buttons, folks. We appreciate your support. Thank you so much for joining us on these adventures. What was your favorite part of the chili cheese chips? The whole thing?
Yeah.
Oh, he just likes all of it. What was your favorite part?
The bounty thing.
The brown thingy. That's the entire chip. Oh my gosh, this boy just loves food. More for me.
More for me. More for me.
More for him, more for you, more for me, more for everyone.
More for you, more for me. More for everyone.
Thank you for joining us. We hope you enjoyed looking at chili cheese Fritos with us. Join us.
Join us next time as we install the See you later.